Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your Poco phone as a remote controller. So to do it, first make sure that you have an IR blaster somewhere at the top. So here I have it, it's like a black dot. That's not a hole, it's a dot. If you have it, then you should be able to use your phone as a remote controller. And now you can just go to the Mi Remote app, which should be installed by default. Agree. And now you can click on Add Remote. Then you can select the type of device that you want to use the remote for. So Mi TV, standard TV, set-top box, or AC fan, smart box, AV receiver, DVD player, projector, Chinese satellite TV, or camera. I'm gonna set it for TV, then select the brand. So I'm gonna search for TCL, just like that. Then select if your TV is on. If it's not, click on off. If it's on, then click on on. And now it will give you one button which you need to click on, but first make sure you are pointing exactly at the TV from a correct distance, so not too close, not too far, and you are pointing at the TV with this dot, the IR blaster from the top. Then click on this button and check if the volume on your TV goes up, or if the TV was turned off, then if the TV turns on. So just check that. If it does, then click on yes. If it doesn't, then click on the arrow and it will check another available configuration. You can see for this TV there are 5 available configurations. So I'm gonna check this one now. No. So let's check another one. No. And let's check that one, and this worked, so click on yes. Then you can name your device. You can add a shortcut as well and click on paired. And now this is your remote. You can also click on here, I think. No, there was a button anyway. Yes, here. So you have more than here, and you can just use it as a remote. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.